Hey guys, welcome to episode 2. So recap of episode 1, we were setting, taming and filling in the brows. In this episode I'm going to be showing you guys how to highlight, clean and blend the areas around your brows to get perfect brows. Okay, so let's just get into the video. So when highlighting and cleaning your brows, the first thing you need is a concealer brush. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can use a very flat brush. Okay, using a flat brush helps you to get your lines really straight. And then you're going to need a concealer that is lighter than your skin tone. Okay, so this concealer is lighter than my skin tone. I'm going to be using that to clean the under part of my brows. Let me just get right into the video and show you guys everything I'm talking about. I'll take that, just a little bit. Then I'll start highlighting from here. You just want to make sure your line is very straight. Then you bring it all the way down like this. Okay, bring it so that is it for this lighter shade of concealer. Okay, you use it just under your brow bone area. This is your brow bone area. Okay, I used my light shade of my concealer just on this part. Then for the upper part of my brows and the beginning of my brows, you can use a concealer that is darker than you, a shade darker than you, or you can use your foundation. Okay, the foundation that matches your skin tone. So I'm going to be using my Super Stay Maybelline foundation in 338. Okay, that is my shade of my foundation. I'm going to make a palm onto my hand. Okay, just make sure the brush is clean. Take that foundation and start cleaning the beginning of my brows. Okay, like this, and then go ahead to clean the top part of my brows with that. This. You want to make sure your lines are very straight. So you want to make sure you have this sharp end here. Okay, this end must be sharp. Alright, and your lines very straight. Before my concealer dries off, I'm going to use this eyeshadow dense brush to blend out the concealer that I have around my eyes. So I blend. And I blend. well. So I went ahead to do this other eye, and that is it about doing your brows. Blending, highlighting, cleaning, and making your brows look perfect. This was a very good makeup tutorial, a detailed brow makeup tutorial, and I hope you learned something. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next episode. Bye.